Hi, I'm Rehma. And I'm Kariма, and today we are back with another challenge, the Twin Telepathy Challenge. As you guys know, we are twins, identical twins. Yes, and we are going to test how similar we are to slime, making slime. And we have this board here. This is the first time we are separated. So we won't see each other, like what we're picking for the slime. First round, clear glue or not clear glue? Okay, let's just pick. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I wonder if we got it right. I hope we did it, and I hope we didn't. I don't know. Okay. Second round is glitter glue. Blue glitter glue or pink glitter glue. I know which one I'm doing. So Karima, how's life? It's not like I live with you or anything. It's slimy. It's slimy. Yeah. I think we did the same thing. Maybe, maybe not. I think we did. I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah. Okay, next round. So this is our third round. My favorite round. Shaving cream or lotion? I think I know what she's going for. Okay, and this is... Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, smells really bad. Round 4. Beads or rubber bands? Let's see. I'm just gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with this one. Second. Yeah. Put it all in one side. So, yeah, right. The next is glitter! Blue glitter or pink glitter? Good look at this one. Mixing time! Yay, finally, my favorite, well, not really, part. I think I added too much of something. I need to stand up for this. Oops. Oh, the board. Yeah, let me stand up. It's not even what I expected. So, we're going to stand up for the rest of the video. It's our final round, and these are our activators. Borax and water, and contact solution and baking powder. I mean baking soda or powder, I'm not sure. Okay, let's choose. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna give it away. There, now let's do this. No, it's here. Oh, it went in my mouth. I'm just gonna use my hands. Ooh, it feels nice. Better do anything. Ooh. We are going to reveal it now to me and Karima and see if we did it close enough. So are you ready, Karima? Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, let's see. Scrambled eggs. I got me too! Karima? about things. Yeah, about 2 things that are different. We're probably even gonna make the same scrambled eggs soon. The same taste. Please comment down below your favorite slime recipes. Hashtag RKTwinLife. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And yeah, see you in the next challenge. Bye!